Hi, my name is Rashari Mitchell. I'm a graduating student from the University of Memphis with a degree in health studies and concentration of health sciences. I find my desire is to help people, educate people, and build new relationships. I would love to be considered for the position of program planner in your company. Through my studies, I've gained the desire to go into the community and help educate those and help build programs that will make workout facilities accessible to others, to make mm, healthier foods accessible to others. I feel like those things need to be put in place. I'm very detail oriented. I'm hardworking, and I know I could get the job done. I also have leadership experience that would assist in getting the job done. I'm familiar with marketing, budgeting, all of those things that will help that you have to build a program, and I can do those things. Um, I was also just recently inducted into the National Society of Leadership and Success, and I'm very proud about that. I'm also excited about starting my new career and graduating